What's up, guys? It's me, Geek. So here's my Samsung Galaxy Tab S3. So now I wanna show you talk about the build quality of this thing. I mean, literally the build quality. The build quality is really very good build. I mean, as you can see, this is an amazingly built tablet. I mean, I literally love it. I mean, the build quality is one of the thing which literally I love when I talk about the glass. Yeah, you need a little bit babysit it, but other than that, the build quality is amazing. As you can see, I mean, I love this tablet. I mean, I love browsing this tablet a lot. Wow, the glass is beautiful and it's very thin. It look very premium while you're traveling on your business trip. This thing look very beautiful, to be honest with you. But just babysit a little bit. I mean, just use a pouch to store it. Other than that, this build quality is much better than the Samsung Galaxy Tab S4. It was me, Jimmy. Subscribe and bye.